Well, hello. My name is Venustiano Carranza. I was born on December 29th, 1859 in Cuarto Cienega and died on May 21st, 1920. I was a Mexican politician, warlord, general, and president. Fast forwarding deeper into my life, once Madero was in was a president, I followed his political reign. But once Madero was assassinated by Huerta, I issued the Plan of Guadalupe, which rejected Huerta and I accused him of restoring dictatorship, and I called for a return to the values of the Constitution of 1857. From here on out, I was referred to as the first chief of the Constitution Army. By 1914, I defeated Huerta, or Pancho Villa and his forces helped me defeat Huerta, which forced Huerta to resign, and I declared myself president. But my claim was contested for nearly a year on legal and military grounds. Although at first there was an alliance between me, Zapata, and Pancho Villa, once I declared myself president, our tensions grew bigger and we drifted apart. Villa and Zapata continued to challenge me throughout my presidency, so much so they made me flee to Veracruz. My supporters, though, helped me defeat Villa and Zapata by 1915. After that, I returned to Mexico City, and the US finally recognized the Mexican government and recognized me as the president. I then helped draft the Constitution of 1917, which established basic reforms in land ownership, control of natural resources and labor, and social legislation. In that same year, I was officially elected president. Although it's debated, it was more by force than by popular vote. So yeah, it's my life. Thank you.